If you're seeing Steam error 450, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix so you can get back to using Steam without guessing what went wrong. This error is often caused by a temporary block after too many purchase attempts, a pending transaction, or a failed payment that needs to clear before you can try again. So stay with me, follow the steps carefully, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to do. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes just like this. First, the most important thing you need to do is close Steam completely. Don't just minimize it, and don't leave it running in the background. On Windows, you can right-click Steam in the system tray and fully exit it. If needed, open Task Manager and make sure every Steam process is closed. This matters because sometimes Steam keeps the failed session active, and reopening it too quickly can make the error continue. Next, wait 30 to 60 minutes. This step is actually important because Steam error 450 can happen because of a temporary block after too many attempts. If you keep retrying over and over, you may make the issue last longer, so give it some time to reset. I know waiting is not the fun part, but in this case, patience can save you from unnecessary troubleshooting. While you wait, it's a good idea to think about what you were doing when the error appeared. If this happened while trying to buy a game, wallet funds, or an in-game item, the issue may be tied to a pending or failed transaction. Once the waiting period is over, open Steam again and go to your account details. From there, navigate to account details, then open View Purchase History. This is where you can check whether any transaction is pending, failed, or incomplete. If you see a purchase that did not go through properly, that can help explain why Steam is showing error 450. Sometimes Steam wants that transaction to clear before it allows another attempt. If you find a pending or failed purchase, take a close look at it and make sure there isn't another payment process still waiting in the background. If everything looks cleared, then try the purchase again, but only once. That part is very important. Do not spam the purchase button or keep repeating the same action, because multiple attempts can trigger the same temporary restriction all over again. When you try again, keep your payment details ready and make sure everything is entered correctly. Double check your payment method, billing information, and any prompts that appear. Even a small issue with payment verification can cause Steam to reject the attempt. If the problem still happens after waiting and checking purchase history, then the issue may be deeper. But in many cases, this simple process solves it. So to recap, the fix for Steam error 450 is fully close. Steam, wait 30 to 60 minutes, open your purchase history and Steam account details, check for any pending or failed transaction, and then try the purchase again one time only. That usually clears the temporary block and gets things working again. If this video helped you fix the error, please hit the like button so this tutorial can help more people, and subscribe for more easy computer and gaming fixes. If you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing more Steam error fixes and account troubleshooting steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.